Hello friends, welcome. Today we are going to discuss about price action. I have taken the Bank Nifty chart hourly time frame. Okay, price action can work any time frame. For time being, I am using 1 hour time frame. I am just marking the support and resistance levels. So I just marked the previous swing point. This is a support. Why it is a support means Bank Nifty came to this level and it's bounced back. That's the reason we are calling it as a support. Okay, in the same way, sometimes gaps can act as a resistance levels. See, a huge gap down happened, and from that, what happened? And Bank Nifty bounced back again. It's getting rejected this level. So I just marked this level. Okay, I don't know right side what is going to happen, but for time being, in lower time frames, especially 1 hour time frame, this can be a resistance level. I am just giving the color of pink or red, whatever it may be. Right now what I have done, I just marked the support and resistance levels based on the price structure. If we deep dive into the price action, there are a number of things one can focus. See, I'm just marking this as a support zone in lower time frames, especially 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame. If we convert, definitely in lower time frames, this is a strong support. Again, why it is a support means when market approached this level 51,700 roughly, buyers get activated and Bank Nifty bounced back very aggressively. So tiny things also matters, especially for intraday trading, and lower time frames are very important. Okay, I'm just extending this previous structural support level. Now it acted as a resistance. See, there is a breakdown happened in this candle, means the support got broken. So previous support got broken means it can act as a resistance levels also. And again market went down, and whenever market approaching these levels, it exactly acted as a resistance level. Of course, finally breakout happened. Of course, this is not that much a strong breakout, because other factors also influence, like market sentiment was very bearish at the time. There are chances to fail the structures also. Of course, we cannot say it is a failure, because see, the previous swing not broken, actually it is holding still, but a deep correction. Generally what will happen when market went up, it might take the retracement up to 50% or maybe 61.8 retracement or maybe 78.6 levels also. But in this case what happened, because of weak sentiment, they deep retraced to the previous structure support. Okay, now it's acted as a support and rejection happened, and again finally it breached the previous resistance levels. This is the resistance level based on the structure 1 hour time frame, right? So friends, I'm just extending this to the right side. So yeah, and again what happened, it breached this level. Sellers triggered, aggressively selling because of market sentiment, and previous structure upside breakout happened, again downside also breakdown happened, and finally they bounced. Again it's acted as a resistance level. This is the resistance level. Previously breakout happened, and breakdown also happened over here, but finally it is acting as a strong resistance level. But finally once it gets rejected from this level, what happened, its breakthrough happened from the previous support level. Okay, again it breached the previous swing low. Friends, in this case I am just marking this as a zone, okay, instead marking as a just a single level. Why we are calling it as a zone? See, when market approached this level, what happened, sort of buying activity is happening. Okay, so I'm just marking the zone. This is called zone. When market approached this zone, buyers might get activated. In this case exactly what happened, when market approached this 50,400 level, there is a 200 points zone. Immediately buyers got activated. Okay, it is clearly visible from the price action perspective based on the candlesticks. Okay, it is a good candle, long consolidation and good candle, kind of bullish Marubozu candle. Okay, anyhow, today what happened, if we observe the price action, gap up happened, and previous structure exactly they came back and retested this level. Okay, sort of strong buyers get activated, they are very strong at this price level, and Bank Nifty started moving up to the upside. So for time being, what are the important levels? Very short, for short term, this is the important level like 51,727, because multiple times it's taken as a reference point, and this is also very important point, 51,000 also. So either side breakout can lead to the further extension. Okay, we need to monitor these two important levels. So in this way we need to analyze the price and structure, and if we are playing intraday, again we need to dig into the deep dive into 5 minutes intervals, so that we may see tiny supports and resistance levels. So this is all about price structure, friends. Based on the price structure, we just mark the resistance and support levels. Sometimes this can broke, okay, sometimes it can act as a support, and all we need to monitor those levels carefully, and we need to take the decision. So that's it, friends. Again, we'll see in next session. That's it. Thank you.